Hi, computer guys, can you hear me?
They knew their stuff.
Yes, sir.
The stuff.
Okay, thank you very much.
Many guys like I know the stuff.
Yeah, thank you very much, guys. So we are here for solicitor class, right? So how many subjects do we have in a solicitor?
Four.
Four subject, right? So which one is the first one?
Ethics.
PR. PR is very important. PR is very important. 50% PR is everywhere. Okay, so there is not PR is everywhere. And first, so basically there are 7 hour exam, 7 hour exam, right? So first half is 3 hours and 30 minutes, 3 hours and 30 minutes. So in 3 hours 20 in 3 hours 30 minutes we have to solve 120 question. How many question? 3 hours, 3 hours and 30 minutes, 120 question, which shows that 1 minute and 37 seconds. We have to solve one question in 1 minute and 37 seconds, right? So second half would be 3 hours and 30 minutes. Again, we have to solve same thing, right? 7 hours exam. So first half would be PR along with estate planning. Okay, PR question, PR with estate planning. Okay, estate planning, right? And estate planning and real estate law.
PR.
Yeah.
Planning
So
and real
three-
estate.
No, PR is not a different. I mean, PR involved into
everywhere.
everywhere, right? Estate planning, business law, and real estate, right? Yeah, my friend, can you bring a chair from outside and sit down here? Okay. So basically, 240 question. So PR, business law, estate planning, and real estate. So business law gonna be at 96 question. Gonna come from business law. Estate planning has 96 question. Gonna come from business law. 50 out of 96 would be PR. Correct me if I'm wrong.
No, you're correct.
Right? So 50 out of 96 would be PR in business law. 70 question gonna come from estate planning. At least 35 out of 70 would be PR. Then real estate, again, almost 70-80 question, real estate. So altogether 240 question in 7 hours. So 1 hour and 37 seconds we have to solve. So now we are here for business law, right? One of the toughest exam in solicitor, right? Correct me like...
That's why I came to you for help.
Yeah. So, thank you very much. So business law. So we have to start from the business law. Okay, PR is very important. PR is everywhere. Okay, but we have to study. We have to start from the PR. Start from the business law. So this is business law, right? Professional responsibility, real estate, estate planning, and business law. 240 questions, right? Now we're gonna start from business law. So business law. Think like a lawyer. Okay, I'm your client, you are my lawyer. If I'm gonna came to your office, I'm gonna say I have to set up my business. I have to set up my business. So what do you think? Explore the businesses in Canada. Because we have to study business law. So explore, like I'm your client, came to your office, and you have to give me an advice for how to set up my which business I have to go for. How many business do we have in Canada?
Sole proprietorship, partnership.
Sole proprietorship, partnership, and then corporation.
Sole proprietorship, number 1. Number 2, partnership. Number 3,
Corporations.
corporation.
Joint venture.
Joint venture. Limited liability, limited in partnership. Partnership has 3 steps, right? So sole proprietorship. Give second one, partnership. Third one, you told me corporation. Fourth one, joint venture. What else? Co-ownership, franchisor and licensee. Franchisor and licensee. So basically 5-6 businesses. Okay, I'm your client. I have to set up my business as a sole proprietor. As a sole proprietor. So you need to know, being a lawyer, what kind of advantage do I have in a sole proprietorship? What kind of disadvantages? What do you think? Advantage. What is the advantage of sole proprietorship?
You are the only directing mind. There are no other people to dispute with you. You can make your own decisions.
Okay.
You don't have to register it either if you want to run it under your name.
Yeah.
100% profit belongs to you.
inexpensive, you can set up easily without any expense. Like sole proprietorship is an advantage. What is a disadvantage?
Taxation.
100% liability.
100% liability, right? So sole proprietorship, 100% liability. Okay. If I'm gonna go for sole proprietorship, it's 100% liability. I would be, even my personal assets would be affected by the creditors. Creditors are gonna hit to my, not only hit to my sole proprietorship property, even they're gonna hit to my personal assets as well, right? Personal assets as well. So unlimited liabilities, unlimited liabilities. Okay, so how can I reduce? You are my lawyer. You have to let me know. Okay, sir, I'm going for sole proprietorship. You gave me advice. What is advantage? Advantage is you just told me you can easily set up your without any expense, inexpensively, right? And disadvantage is unlimited liabilities, right? Disadvantage is, excuse me. What is the disadvantage of sole proprietorship? 100% liability. How can I reduce my unlimited liabilities? Is any way? You are my lawyer. I'm your client. I'm agree. I'm gonna go for sole proprietorship. 100%. 100%. I'm responsible for. Can we please turn off your camera and mic, please? Okay, so how can I reduce my unlimited liabilities? Just think about it.
By setting up corporation instead of.
No, corporation is a different.
Setting up LLP. For the sole.
LLP is for PR. LLP for partnership.
Yeah.
Stay in sole proprietorship. What is advantage of sole proprietorship? What is disadvantage of sole proprietorship? Disadvantage is unlimited liabilities. I agree. How you are my lawyer, you have to give me advice. How can I reduce my unlimited liability? Or there is no option.
Maybe by getting it insured.
I don't think it's
By
an option in sole proprietorship.
by insurance, by contract, by insurance, by contract. Can you read first paragraph of sole proprietorship?
Do you want me to read
Yeah,
it?
yeah, please. Can you read?
Sole proprietorship is the most basic form of business organization. that
Okay,
be
can you
used-
speak slow, little louder?
It's much better if one of them do it rather than me because I have.
Okay,
one of these
so
guys
who
read it.
gonna read first
Whoever's in the
paragraph?
middle there.
Should I
Yes.
by reading?
Yeah, you can sit down here, please.
No, I think she's got her material.
No, no. Yeah. So first paragraph, can you read, please? Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you.
Where's your material?
Sole proprietorship. A sole proprietorship is the most basic form of business organization.
One question is, what is a basic form of business organization? One question. What is a basic form of business organization is sole proprietorship. Basic form. What is a common form of business organization? Another question. Basic form of business organization is sole proprietorship. What is a common form of business organization?
Maybe corporation, sir?
Corporation. Corporation. So there are two questions. Okay. So
and can be used in a wide variety of circumstances. Sole proprietorships are relatively inexpensive to set up and require few legal formalities.
inexpensive. See, advantage is to set up inexpensive.
Rather, a sole proprietorship exists whenever an individual carries on business for the individual's own account without the involvement of other individuals.
Second paragraph. Second paragraph.
This one?
Yeah, second.
A major disadvantage of sole proprietorships is that there is no limited liability for the sole proprietor. All business and personal assets may be seized.
All business and personal assets. This is a disadvantage. My business assets under sole proprietorship and my personal assets would be affected by the creditors. So there is a big disadvantage. So if I'm gonna go into default, my personal asset would be affected by the creditors.
and personal assets may be seized in satisfaction of the